Welcome back to Money Made Simple. Today, we're talking about something that could put thousands of dollars back in your pocket: child benefits in Canada. Whether you're a new parent, planning for a family, or just want to make sure you're getting all the support you're entitled to, this video is for you. Let's break it all down, step by step. What is the Canada Child Benefit, CCB? First up, the Canada Child Benefit, or CCB. This is the main program that gives families monthly, tax-free payments to help with the cost of raising kids. Here's what you need to know. It's for families with kids under 18. The amount you get depends on your family's income and how many kids you have. For 2023, you could get up to $7,437 per year for kids under 6 and $6,275 for kids aged 6 to 17. That's over $600 a month for younger kids. And the best part? It's tax-free, so you get to keep every penny. But here's the catch: you need to apply for it. Don't worry, I'll show you how later in the video. If you're caring for a child with a disability, there's an extra benefit you should know about: the Child Disability Benefit, CDB. This is an add-on to the CCB, and it can give you up to $3,173 per year tax-free. To qualify, your child needs to be eligible for the Disability Tax Credit, DTC. Once approved, the CDB is automatically added to your CCB payments. So if you think your child might qualify, don't wait. Apply for the DTC first. Now here's where it gets even better. Many provinces and territories offer extra child benefits on top of the CCB. For example, in Ontario, you could get up to $1,562 per year through the Ontario Child Benefit. In Alberta, the Alberta Child and Family Benefit can give you up to $1,330 for your first child. These programs are designed to help low and middle income families, so make sure you check what's available in your province. Alright, let's talk about how to actually get these benefits. For the Canada Child Benefit, here's what you need to do. 1. File your taxes every year, even if you have no income. This is how the CRA knows you're eligible. 2. If you're a new parent, register your child's birth with your province. Many provinces automatically enroll you for the CCB. 3. If you need to apply manually, use Form RC66 on the CRA website. And don't forget, if your child has a disability, apply for the Disability Tax Credit first to unlock the CDB. Before we wrap up, here are a few pro tips to make sure you're getting the most out of your child benefits. 1. Always update the CRA if your family situation changes, like if you have a new baby or your marital status changes. 2. If you're a low-income family, look into the Canada Learning Bond for your child's education. It's free money for their RESP. 3. Don't forget about the GST HST credit. It includes extra money for each child in your family. And that's it. Child benefits in Canada can make a huge difference for your family's budget, so make sure you're taking advantage of them. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Money Made Simple for more tips on saving money, managing your finances, and making life a little easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.